atomic small world clock from Japan. I don't know what the blinking light's for. Hope it didn't chime. It didn't chime because there's not enough light in the room to set it off. And this is the Seiko back here behind the Christmas tree. And here is the big wall clock. Thing's chunky looking big. And this, and here, and here's my dog Sparky. He's Sparky. And here are these clocks. One has a dead battery. I gotta replace it a few seconds long. And this clock. And this clock's from repair. I don't know why that light's flickering. It never happened before. I don't know if you have a clock like this, and see why the light. Tell me why the light is flickering in the comments, please. If it's anything else but a dead battery, I don't know what happened. So you're gonna have to tell me what's going on with in the comments. Just tell me what's going on. Bye-bye.